In the world of marine and offshore industries, every minute counts. Ships can't afford to stand still. I.M.I Corporation is part of I.T.I Corporation and is established in Singapore since 1992.
Hi, my name is Howie Jiang. I'm the Managing Director of I.M.I. We are a leading marine supplier based in Singapore, Indonesia, and China.
Stocking high-quality Bosch Rexroth hydraulic pumps, motors, and more, I.M.I ensures parts are always ready when customer needed them most.
REMAN stands for remanufacturing. The old pump will be refurbished with replacement of 90% of the spare part, and the old pump will ultimately become a new pump and will work like a new pump. We started working with I.M.I a few years ago. I think they are a fantastic team. They believe in the investment and to really benefit most of their customers. They actually invested quite a number of stocks of the REMAN pumps, and because they have a very wide network of vessel owners and ship management company.
We are very close to the ship owners, shipyards, and ship managers so that we can understand their needs and requirements, so that we can plan for them for dry docking. And during dry docking, a lot of repair is required, and it is important to have stocks ready so that we can ensure minimum downtime for them.
So whenever there's an emergency, it's important to keep stocks in our warehouse delivered on board the vessel to minimize the vessel downtime. And that is very important for most of the ship owners and ship managers.
Yes, because we are 24/7. In the event our customers like CMA, CGM, or BSM require call me in the middle of the night, let's say 11 p.m. or what, I will mobilize my team to check the stock, everything, so that we can deliver to them the following day ASAP.
It will be usually like 12 hours in Singapore or maximum 24 hours. So it's very important to have the parts delivered within that scope during the port stay.
Our customers demand high-quality products, reliable service, and fast response. We need a partner that can do the same. That's why I.M.I and Bosch Rexroth are a great match.
Bosch Rexroth has been known in the market for their reliability and performance.
I.M.I helps to keep ships moving at all times.
Together with I.M.I, Bosch Rexroth helps to keep the ships moving.